to my channel, y'all. Today is Vlogmas Day 14. I can't do that on my hands, but let's act like that's 14. Day 14, guys. And today I'm going to be showing y'all me getting ready for work, how I put this scarf on and everything, and how I got it as tight as I can and slick as I can, because I do not want my hair on my face at work. And I'm going to show y'all me just getting ready for work, me getting my earrings in and everything. So yeah, today is gonna be a get ready video, guys, so I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get straight to the video. I don't know yet if I work tomorrow, but if I don't, I wouldn't be mad. Because I would really rather record for y'all when I don't have work. Because it's like when you have work, you have like a time limit kind of to record because I have to record and then I have to edit. So like if I have work, I have to like wait until after work to edit, and I don't want to upload my videos so late. I would rather have them out kind of like earlier during the day. Like right now it's like 11:50, I think. And this video is probably going to be uploaded at like, I don't know, like 12 something. 12:20 maybe. Or maybe earlier than that, I don't know. But just saying, like, I would rather my videos be out earlier instead of editing all late and having it put up late and stuff. I don't know, I just like it out earlier. That's why I'm really trying to get a work from home job, because I don't know, I want to work from home. Like, I want to work from home. I need to apply to more places because I really want to work from home. And yeah, I want to do aesthetic work, of course, so I'm trying to get into a shop soon. I have to look some more because I really need to work more than one job. Which the main job I want to do is the aesthetics, of course. I went to school for that. That's what I love to do. I want to be doing facials right now. I want to be doing massages. I want to be doing makeup and waxing, all that good stuff. So I want to have that job plus another job until my only job could be aesthetics, until I could get there. Ooh, why is the hole acting like it wants to close? Why does it do that? I literally took my earrings out, last night? And the hole acts like it wants to close up that fast. Like, okay, relax. But yeah, guys, I'm really ready to do aesthetic work because it's starting to get like, I don't know, like I'm like starting to dread this job. I feel like it's just like, I don't know, something about clocking in just like, I don't know, it's like irritating me. Even though I know that a work at home job would be like that, but it's like, it's not even just that. Like, work from home job, I'm at home, like driving there and then clocking in and then being there for hours. It's just like, I don't want to do this. Like, I'm not trying to sound all like negative and stuff, but like, I don't want to do that. I really don't. I can't. Like, I don't want to be in that building for hours and then come home. I'm literally there and then I just come home. I literally work and come home. I mean, I don't have to do that, but it's just, I don't know. Anyway, random rant, but I got my earrings in. I need some more jewelry, guys, for Christmas. I want jewelry. You want to give me a present? I want jewelry for Christmas because, as I said before, all my earrings are in this sink because I, for some reason, think it's a good idea to put my earrings in over the sink, like how I just did. Well, I'm kind of far back, though. They would have fell on the floor, but this is, like, really all I have left, if you guys could see. It's a heart, circle one, and then, I don't know what to call that, diamond, I guess. A diamond one. And then my nose ring. I need to do another piercing video because somebody said they wanted me to do a piercing video, but I think they deleted their comment. I don't know, but I could still do it though. But I gotta wait till I get more jewelry to do a piercing video. I could switch out all my jewelry or something like that. But I really like how my glasses look with my jewelry. I think it makes them shine more. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it to getting ready for work, guys. This is my work outfit. I could show my whole outfit. Jogging pants, which I'm really not supposed to have on, but I left my actual work clothes at my place, and I didn't get in trouble yesterday, so hopefully I don't today. These are so comfortable too, so I wish we were allowed to wear these on the regular. Like, these are way more comfortable than wearing scrubs. Those scrubs are so stiff and like I can barely move. I don't know, these are just really comfy. Like, it feels like I have on pajamas. But guys, yeah, that's pretty much all to me getting ready for work. I'm just gonna go there, be there for some hours, And then I think I'll go back to my place. So tomorrow's video might be some more Christmas decorations. So, because if I go back to my place, I'm going to be ready to decorate some more. So tomorrow might be that video. I'm not sure yet. I'm not going to promise it because I don't know. But most likely, decorating video. I hope I don't have work tomorrow. I don't know. I have no idea if I work tomorrow yet. But that is all for this video today. Vlogmas Day 14, guys. I actually need to do an intro. So, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all tomorrow.